have Jasper showing in that. Well, this is a very pretty one. I don't think that'll give us kind of the same window as if we do it like this. So.
Okay, ready? I thought y'all were hitting it. Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot harder. Ready?
Yeah. Whoa, that's so cool.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Got that clear vein going through there with that white stuff in there. Ooh, that's so cool.
Yeah, that's pretty. Well, how sharp is that?
Not very at all.
Just touch it like this. No, but if it comes on, put your finger right on it.
The reason I buy a smooth blade is so you could touch it like that and it might hurt, but it won't slash you open. Yep. Look at that.
Which one do you want to see?
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That is so cool. I love it. I love it.